How's everybody doing out there, man? I hope everybody is being safe during this quarantine. Since we are quarantined, I'm gonna cook a little bit for you guys today. Lige Doozable here. Anything is doozable, Chef Doos, as you can see. And today, I'm gonna make vegan, gluten-free blueberry pancakes. Yes, great meal for breakfast, simple to make, man. So right here, we got our ingredients. We got 2 cups of gluten-free pancake mix, half cup of fresh blueberries, half cup of maple syrup, 3/4 cup of almond milk, about a teaspoon of organic cane sugar. We got 6 tablespoons of plant-based eggs, which equals 2 eggs, and just a little powdered sugar. So in a large mixing bowl, you want to put your 2 cups of gluten-free pancake mix, your plant-based eggs, get all that in there, and your almond milk or water. You can use either one. You also want to throw in about 10 to 12 blueberries. Actually, let's make it like 14. And blend well together. And now we're about to blend it. You want it to blend really well. And then after you finish blending, you want to put it in the refrigerator to set for about 10 minutes. And now that we put our pancake mix in the refrigerator, we're going to work on this syrup. So get your maple syrup out. Get your blender. Put that half cup of maple syrup in there, like so. We're going to do about 20 blueberries. And that organic cane sugar. Make sure we get all that syrup out. Now we're about to blend well. Go. Now that we've blended up our syrup, let's put it in a little squeeze bottle for later. All right, now it's time to cook our pancakes. We got us a skillet. We're gonna put it on 5 or 6, which is medium heat. We're gonna take a teaspoon of butter and put it in the skillet. And you want to make sure your butter melts all the way through and is around the whole pan. And now we're about to add our pancake mix. So you want to get you a big spoon, get your little scoop of the pancake mix. Put it in like so. let it cook. And on each side, depending on how crisp you want the edges, it's gonna cook for probably 3.5 to 4 minutes, 4 to 5, depending on the crisp you want on the outside of your pancake. All right, now that we finished the pancakes, it's time to plate it. So you want to get your syrup. You want to just drizzle a little bit on the plate. Then you want to put your pancakes on. Like so. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of your syrup on your pancakes. You want to add some fresh blueberries. And don't forget your powdered sugar. And we're going to top it off with this nice mint leaf. And there you have it. Vegan blueberry pancakes, and gluten-free too. Appreciate y'all stopping in with me as I chopped up this meal for y'all real quick. You can find more meals of mine on Anything is Doable podcast or Cooking with Chef Doos, which is on YouTube. See you.